I'm going to use the Downy Unstoppables in conjunction with the Tide pods. It's supposed to give you 12 weeks of Tide freshness. If you go in the store, you can squeeze these and you can smell. It has little holes in the top and you can see if you like the scent. It's an in-wash scent booster. This is the Tide Original. I got the Tide Original scent for the pods. You just shake a little or a lot into the cap. I just sprinkle it into the washing machine before the clothes. Enjoy the long-lasting scent. Do not put in the liquid dispenser. It's supposed to be safe for all colors. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Here's the ingredient list if you care to pause it and read all that. Here's some contact information. And that's what the pods look like. They smell great. I'm washing some drapes that I want the smell to be on there for quite a while, so I'm going to put a good bit in. And my prior experience with these types of products, they just kind of float around and then dissolve towards the end of the cycle. I've never found one that was undissolved on my clothing or laundry. It smelled great while these were washing. They look clean. Smell great. No sign of the dust and grime that was on them. Nice. So far so good with the Downy Unstoppables. My clothes smell great. Even the clothes in my closet, I could still smell them for a week when I open the closet door. So this is kind of a spare closet. So it's nice to open it and have that fresh smell hit you. My real clothes also smell good. I could probably use a little bit more than I'm using if I wanted to have a stronger scent. But I'm just trying to make my laundry smell good because most of the things in this closet I wash every week. I have no complaints about the Downy Unstoppables Tide scent. Some of the scents that I've tried I don't care for. This one has no negatives. I highly recommend it. There's probably some law against this, but I even sprinkle just a little bit down in my vents, and it kind of makes them smell a little bit fresher as well.